back to my channel. My name is Charmaine and I want to do my eyes today using this Cherry Coke palette by Morphe. I wasn't planning to record, but I figured why not. I'd only started my eyebrows. I haven't done my hair yet. I don't usually, when it's in a bun, try to fix it until after my makeup's all done. Sometimes I do it before, but I don't like the way the makeup sits on top of the gel, so I've been doing it in reverse. Do my hair afterwards. So this is what I'm looking like. I've only done my eyebrows, so I haven't even done my eyelids or set my eyes. So I need to get a concealer for that. And I'm just gonna pull out this one. What is this? This is the Kylie Concealer in Pine Nut. And I really do like these Kylie concealers. I wish I got more colors when I did get these, but I didn't know what they were gonna be like. I think they remind me of the Milani concealers. And also they remind me of, which one is it? Is it this one, my Tarte? I don't know, but I like it's a little bit thicker and I like that. Let's go ahead and set it with my I Heart Revolution banana powder. Okay, I feel like I'm making a mess today. All right, so I'm gonna go in. Do I want to do my tape? Maybe I do want to do tape. So here's my tape, just regular Scotch tape, transparent. And because it's transparent, it's so funny trying to get it lined up because not all the time is it lined up just perfectly on both sides. Okay, this is the glossy one, so you can, when I turn, I can see it. It doesn't really matter to me if it's glossy or not. I just happened to order this. I think I got a whole pack off of Amazon. Okay. I think that they're similar. Close enough. All right, now let's see, what are we gonna do with this Cherry Coke palette? Looks like this. And I think what I'm going to be doing is, first of all, getting a brush. I need a brush. Here's one. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna take, and there's no color names, so I'm gonna take this color here first. And we're gonna start with that color. Super pigmented, I'm just patting it on. Okay. Now I'm gonna be blending it. I think the dress is what put me in the mood to use this palette today. And I did not want to use this palette for the first time off camera because I just had a feeling that I was gonna like this palette. It's really pretty. I just like the theme. It's definitely giving Cherry Coke. This side is darker than this side, so. Okay, now let's take, I need a smaller brush. Can't find a smaller brush, but I want to take this color here. It's like a light mauve-y pink. And just take that and blend that on the outside. Now I want to take, I am going to take this deep color here. So I was using this one, but I do want to take like one of these deep colors for the very outer edge, but I want to use this red here on my lid first. So I want that color to pop, so I'm going to cut my crease. And let's see if we can do that together. Let's cut our crease. And I think I'm gonna cut my crease even like further back than I normally do, because I know I normally try to stay and go halfway. Okay, when I'm cutting my crease, I'm trying to follow like the ball of my eye socket. So when I do it, I just slide this around and it's kind of like you just feel like your socket. So I need to fix this eye now. Okay, so I took them both pretty far out. They're as good as they're going to get. Obviously, we're people and humans and we're made the way we're supposed to be, but not everything is going to line up. So like our eyebrows are not going to be the exact same. Our eye shapes, it's just gonna, you got to make it work. Okay, so I just like to pat out at the corners to blend in where I cut my crease with the base, and like softly pat that so that it blends in. It doesn't look harsh when I add the color on there. Now let's get this red color. It looks kind of like a shimmer. It's this color here, but it's a deeper red. And I'm gonna pat that. And then what we're going to do is take this deep plum burgundy, and that's very pigmented. We're gonna put it here. Okay, and now that that's there, I'm actually thinking I kind of wish that I had that here. So maybe I'm gonna see if I can take this little brush here. Okay, and I'm just deepening up this area to separate where I have the red and where I have my crease color. And this is just like my eyeliner brush that I'm using. Okay, let's see. What can I use to blend? I'll dip back into the first color I used. And I took a new brush. Okay, so that blends in a little better. And then now I can focus back on this area. So I haven't put anything back on this brush. What do I want to do? Let me take this deeper brown here. On the very outer portion, and I'm taking that kind of high up to here. Okay, and I'll take this brush that's kind of clean, and I'm going to take Now all I need to do is my eyeliner, my mascara, the rest of my face, fix my hair, and then come back so you guys can see the completed look and how I'm showing up to work today. So I'll be right back. The completed look, I'll show you what I used. It's not going to be in order, just kind of picking up what I see here. So for my mascara, I used this Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Curl. For my eyeliner, I used the Essence Super Last Eyeliner Deep Black. These are always sitting on top of my desk, so they're my go-to. My foundation, I used the Matte and Poreless by Maybelline Fit Me. I'm the color 330 Toffee Caramel. For concealer, I used the Kylie Concealer in the color Amber. And then I set my face with the I Heart Revolution Banana Powder. For my foundation powder, I used the Aqua Assurance by J. Cat in the color Golden Beige. For my blush, I used the Cherry Coke blush. This is Cherryfied. I've already broken this, so it's fallen out, but this is the color I use on my blush. Highlighter, I used the Rachel Leary. You'll notice some of these are items I just bought. This is the Golden Hour highlighter. Looks like that. And I used for my lips this Dark Brown by LA Girl. This is an eyeliner, but I use it as a lip liner. And I used the Hot Chocolate by Glam Light. And over top of that, I used the Cherry Coke Sippin' Pretty Lip Glaze to get this color. I wanted to go dark because my outfit's kind of dark with the red and black. And to set my face, I used the I Heart Revolution Pink Grapefruit. And then I did spray a little bit of the Mario Badescu in the rose. It's with aloe, herbs, and rose water. So I sprayed a little bit of this. And I believe that's everything that I used on my face, other than the primer. For primer, I used the No Pore Primer by Touch in Soul. So this one, I got this in a BoxyCharm. And that's my second one. So I really like that. But that's everything I used on my face. And then of course I fixed my hair. And to fix my hair, I sprayed a little of the rose water in it. And then here's my gel. I used the Eco Styler gel. This is the crystal. I used also the one that's, I think it's the castor oil and then the olive oil. So I use all different kinds, but this is the one that I was recently able to find. So let me know what you think of this look. Go ahead and leave a comment. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching.